Welcome to your channel. Please like, share, and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics, and science, which will help you to understand and learn the concept more clearly. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solutions for class 7 mathematics. Chapter 2 fraction and decimal. Today we will do exercise 2.1. So let's solve the exercise. First, 2 minus 3 upon 5. So for the subtraction of two unlike fraction, first change them to the like fraction. Okay, so we will find the LCM. So 1 and 5 LCM is 5. Now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 5 as the denominator. So 2 upon 1 into 5 upon 5 equals to 10 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 1 equals to 3 upon 5. Now 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and 5 and 5. So it is 7 upon 5. Second, 4 plus 7 upon 8. So for addition of two unlike fractions, first change them to the like fraction. So we will find the LCM of 1 and 8, that is 8. Now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 8 as the denominator. So for changing the denominator, we will multiply the denominator with 8. 4 with 8, numerator and denominator 8. So it is 4 by 1 into 8 upon 8 equals to 32 upon 8. Okay, and 7 upon 8 into 1 upon 1, it is 7 upon 8. So the two fractions are 32 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. Now we will add them. So 32 plus 7 is 39 and denominator 8. So it is 39 upon 8. We can convert that into mixed fraction. So it is 4 and 7 upon 8. Third one, for addition of two unlike fractions, first change them to the like fraction. So here the two denominators are different. So we will find the LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. Now we will change and make the fractions equal. So 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 7, because the LCM is 35, so we have to make the denominator 35. So we will multiply with 7 upon 7. So it is 21 upon 35. Then 2 upon 7 into 5 upon 5. So it is 10 upon 35. Now we will add the two fractions, that is 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. So 21 upon 10, 21 plus 10 upon 35. So it is 31 upon 35. Next is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Here also we will first change into like fraction. So the LCM we will find is 11 and 15 LCM, that is 165. Now we will make the fractions equal. So 9 upon 11 we will multiply with 15 upon 15, that is 135 upon 165. Then 4 upon 15 we will multiply with 11 upon 11, that is 44 upon 165. Now we will subtract them. So 135 minus 44, that is 91. So it is 91 upon 165. Next, 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Here for the addition of two unlike fractions, first we will make them into like fraction. So now here three fractions are given. So the denominators of 3 are 10, 5, 2. So we will find the LCM of 10, 5, 2, that is 10. Now we will make the fraction equal. So it is 7 upon 10 into 1 upon 1, that is 7 upon 10. 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 2, that is 4 upon 10. 3 upon 2 into 5 upon 5, that is 15 upon 10. Now we will add all the three fractions, that is 7 plus 4 plus 15. So it will become 26 upon 10. So it is 13 upon 5. We can reduce it to the smallest fraction, and then we will convert that into mixed fraction. So it is 2 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. The next question is 2 and 2 and 2 upon 3 plus 3 and 1 upon 2. So first we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 and 2 upon 3, that is 8 upon 3. 3 and 1 upon 2, that is 7 upon 2. Now we will find the LCM of 3 and 2, that is 6. Now we will make the fraction equal. So it is 8 upon 3 into 2 upon 2, that is 16 upon 6. 7 upon 2 into 3 upon 3, that is 21 upon 6. Now we will add, so 16 upon 6 plus 21 upon 6. So 16 plus 21, that is 37 upon 6. We will convert that into mixed fraction, that is 6 and 1 by 6. Next question, 8 and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 5 by 8. First convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 8 and 1 by 2, that is 17 upon 2. 3 and 5 by 8, that is 29 upon 8. Now what we will do, we will change them into the like fraction. So we will find the LCM of 2 and 8, that is 8. Now we will make them equal. So 17 upon 2 into 4 upon 4, that is 68 upon 8. 29 upon 8 into 1 upon 1, that is 29 upon 8. Now we will subtract that. So 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. So 68 minus 29, that is 39 upon 8. So the mix, we will convert that into mixed fraction, that is 4 and 7 by 8. The second question is arrange the following in descending order. So 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. First we will find the LCM 3, 9, 3 and 21. So LCM is 63. Now we will make them equivalent fraction. So 2 upon 9 into 7 upon 7, that is 14 upon 63. Then 2 upon 3 into 21 upon 22, so 42 upon 63. LCM is 63, so we have to multiply to make it 63. So 8 upon 21 into 3 upon 3, so 24 upon 63. Now clearly we can observe that which one comes the first. So 42 upon 63, 24 upon 63 and 14 upon 63. This is the order of descending. So 42 upon 63, that is 2 upon 3. Then 24 upon 63, that is 8 upon 21. And 14 upon 63, that is 2 upon 9. So the given fraction in descending order are 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21 and 2 upon 9. Second, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. Same way we will do, we will find the LCM first. So the LCM is 70. Now we will make the given fraction into equivalent fraction. So it is 14 upon 70, 30 upon 70 and 49 upon 70. Now we will find the descending order from this. So it is 49 upon 70, 30 upon 70 and 14 upon 70. That means it is 7 upon 10, 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Third question is, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So 4 upon 11, 9 upon 11, 2 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 7 upon 11, 8 upon 11, 1 upon 11, 6 upon 11. So first we will do the sum of first row, that is 4 upon 11, 9 upon 11, 2 upon 11. So 4 plus 9 plus 2, that is 15 upon 11. Then the second row, 3 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 7 upon 11. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15 upon 11. Third row, so 8 upon 11, 1 upon 11 and 6 upon 11. So we will add 8 plus 1 plus 6, that is 15. Now we will sum the columns. So first column, 4 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 8 upon 11. We will add 4, 3, 8, that is 15 upon 11. Then the second column, 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 1 upon 11. We will add 9, 5, 1, that is 15 upon 11. Then the third column, so upon 11, 7 upon 11, 6 upon 11. We will add 2, 7, 6, that is 15 upon 11. Now the first diagonal, that is 4 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 6 upon 11. So it is 15 upon 11. Second diagonal, 2 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. It is also 15 upon 11. So yes, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonal is the same. So it is a magic square. Fourth question, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its parameter. From the question, it is given that length is 12.5 centimeter, that is 25 upon 2 centimeter. Breadth is 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter, that is 32 upon 3 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into L into B, that is length into length plus breadth. So length is 25 upon 2 and breadth is 32 upon 3. Okay. Now we will find the LCM because the denominators are different. So 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Now we will make it equivalent and then we will add. So it is 75 plus 64 upon 6. So it is 139 upon 6. Now we will cut 2 and 6. So it is 139 upon 3 centimeter. Hence the parameter of the sheet of the paper is 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter. Find the parameters of triangle ABE. ABE. Second, rectangle BCDE. BCDE in this figure, whose parameter is greater. Okay, so we will find the parameter of two, that is triangle and rectangle. So AB, that is 5 upon 2 centimeter. AE 3 and 3 by 5, that is 18 upon 5 centimeter. B 3 and 3 by 5, that is 11 upon 4 centimeter. ED 7 upon 6 centimeter. Parameter of triangle is sum of all the sides. So BEE, that is AB plus BE plus EA, that is 5 upon 2, 11 upon 4 and 18 upon 5. First we will find the LCM of 2, 4, 5, that is 20. Now we will change into equivalent fraction. So it is 5 upon 2 into 10 upon 10, 11 upon 4 into 5 upon 5, 18 upon 5 into 4 upon 4, that is 50 upon 20, 55 upon 20 and 72 upon 20. Now we will add 50, 55 and 72. So it is 177 upon 20. So the parameter of a triangle is 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. Now we will find the parameter of rectangle. So the parameter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So BE and ED is the BE is the length and ED is the breadth. So it is 11 upon 4 and 7 upon 6. We will find the LCM, that is 4 and 6 LCM is 12. Now we will make the fraction into equivalent fraction. So it is 11 upon 4 into 3 upon 3, 7 upon 6 into 2 upon 2. So 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12. So 33 plus 14 upon 12. So it is 47 upon 12. We will cut 12 and 2. So it will become 47 upon 6. So the fraction is 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. Finally, we have find which one is the having greater parameter. So parameter of triangle ABE is 177 upon 20 and rectangle BCDE is 47 upon 6. The two parameters are in the form of unequal fraction. Changing parameters into equal fraction, we have 177 upon 20 into 3 by 3, that is 531 upon 60, and 46 upon 6 into 10 by 10, that is 430 upon 60. Now we can clearly say that parameter of triangle AB is greater than parameter of rectangle BCDE. Sixth question. Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So from the question we can say that the width is 7 and 3 by 5, that is 38 upon 5 centimeter. The frame having the width is 7 and 3 by 10, that is 73 upon 10 centimeter. Now how much we have to trim? So we will subtract it. So first we will find the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. We will make it into equivalent fraction, that is 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. So we have to trim 3 upon 10 centimeter. So the picture should be trimmed by 3 upon 10 centimeter. Seventh question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Som. How much part of the apple did Som eat? Who had the larger share, by how much? So Ritu had eaten 3 by 5. The part of the apple eaten by the Som is 1 minus part of the apple eaten by Ritu. So 1 minus 3 upon 5. So first we will find the LCM, that is 5. We will change it into equivalent fraction, that is 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. So it is 5 minus 3, that is 2 upon 5. So the part of the apple eaten by Som is 2 upon 5. Now 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. That means Ritu ate larger size of apple. And how much difference of share? So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 1 by 5. So Ritu's share is larger than Soham's share by 1 by 5. Eighth question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So the time taken by Michael was 7 upon 12 and Weber was 3 upon 4. We will find the LCM of 12 and 4, that is 12. Now we will make it into equivalent fraction. So it is 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. So it is clearly visible that 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. So Weber worked for longer time. Weber worked longer time by 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. So it is 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. 9 minus 7 upon 12. So it is 2 by 12 means 1 by 6 of an hour. So this was the solution of exercise 2.1 of chapter 2 of standard 7th NCERT solution. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.